The power of prevention. Understanding electrical hazards. Electricity, it powers our world, but it also holds potential dangers. Every year, workers are injured or even killed in electrical accidents. The good news is that most of these incidents are preventable. By understanding the risks and following safety measures, we can protect ourselves and our colleagues. This guide provides essential information to help you work safely with electricity. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. Don't hesitate to ask questions or report concerns. By working together and staying alert, we can create a safe and productive work environment for everyone. Let's prioritize safety and make sure everyone goes home unharmed each day. Electricity can cause shocks, burns, and even fires. It's crucial to understand the specific hazards present in your workplace. Always treat electrical equipment with caution and respect its power. By educating ourselves about the risks and taking the necessary precautions, we can significantly reduce the likelihood of accidents. Remember, safety is a continuous process, and complacency can have serious consequences. Shielded from danger. The importance of personal protective equipment. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is your first line of defense against electrical hazards. It's crucial to wear the appropriate PPE for the task at hand and to ensure it's in good condition. Gloves, for instance, provide a barrier between your skin and live wires. Insulated tools protect against shocks while working on electrical components. Eye protection shields your eyes from sparks and debris. Never compromise on your safety by working without proper PPE. Inspect your equipment regularly and report any damage or defects immediately. Remember, your safety is paramount. By using PPE correctly and consistently, you create a protective barrier between yourself and potential hazards. This simple act can mean the difference between a safe workday and a serious accident. Locking out danger. The lockout-tagout procedure. Lockout-tagout is a critical safety procedure used to de-energize electrical equipment before working on it. This procedure safeguards workers from unexpected energization or startup, preventing serious injuries or fatalities. Before starting any electrical work, always follow the lockout-tagout procedure. This involves turning off the power supply, applying a lock to the disconnect switch, and placing a tag with your name and the date. Never work on equipment that hasn't been properly locked out and tagged out. Verify the equipment is de-energized using a voltage tester before starting work. By adhering to the lockout-tagout procedure, you create a controlled work environment where the unexpected energization of equipment is prevented, ensuring your safety while you work. Spotting the sparks. Identifying and reporting electrical hazards. Being able to identify potential electrical hazards is crucial for maintaining a safe work environment. These hazards can range from frayed wires and overloaded circuits to damaged equipment and improper grounding. Be vigilant and look out for signs of trouble, such as burning smells, sparks, or unusual noises coming from electrical equipment. If you encounter any unsafe conditions, report them to your supervisor or safety representative immediately. Remember, even seemingly minor issues can escalate into dangerous situations if left unaddressed. Your prompt reporting can prevent accidents and keep everyone safe. By staying aware of your surroundings and promptly reporting any potential hazards, you contribute to a culture of safety in the workplace, protecting yourself and your colleagues from harm. Working smart, safe practices for electrical tasks. Following safe work practices is essential when dealing with electricity. Always prioritize safety over speed and never take shortcuts. When working with electrical equipment, use insulated tools and equipment to prevent shocks. Maintain a safe distance from energized conductors and never work on electrical equipment when wet or standing in water. Use caution when working at heights and ensure ladders are stable and secure. After completing electrical work, always double-check your work to ensure connections are secure and no tools or materials have been left behind. By adhering to these safe work practices, you create a safer work environment for yourself and those around you. Remember, a moment of carelessness can have lasting consequences. By prioritizing safety in every task, you contribute to a culture of safety and well-being in the workplace. In case of emergency, responding to electrical incidents. Knowing how to respond effectively in an electrical emergency can save lives. If you witness an electrical incident, the first step is to ensure your own safety. Do not touch the victim or any electrical equipment until the power has been disconnected. Immediately call for help or activate your emergency response plan. If it's safe to do so, use a non-conductive object like a broom handle to move the victim away from the electrical source. Once the victim is clear of the electrical source, assess their condition and provide first aid if qualified. Stay with the victim until emergency responders arrive. By knowing how to respond quickly and effectively in an electrical emergency, you can potentially save a life and minimize the impact of the incident.